Blooms, kami na sana maging smooth ulit oral natin just like last year. Dahil kilala namin ang Beanie Round Blooms, very disciplined yan. So sana this year ulit, diba, smooth lang yung maging flow. And good luck, good luck. Mahabati ko lang ito. Kayo, Blooms! Thank you, Blooms. Ang cute kong payong talaga, tignan mo. Maraming salamat po. Mag-enjoy lang po tayong lahat today. Huwag kayo mag-phone.
Okay, mag-phone.
Yes, kung 5 p.m. mag-phone. Matapos natin to, guys. I'm excited for everyone. Okay, again, Blooms, our nation's girl group, Beanie! Okay, so Blooms, since kasama natin ang Beanie ngayon, syempre, eto na si okay, syempre may pa-surprise tayo para sa mga January babies natin. So guys, kantahan natin happy birthday si Master Joe and Aya! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday once again to Joe Aya. Thank you guys so much for joining us. And of course now, as we get the cakes out of our way, yes. Ayun, photo up muna with our cakes. Ayun. Okay, thank you so much guys. And again, advance happy birthday to Joe Aya.
Sabi naman yan, Aya, oh.
And habang nandito ang Beanie, of course, we would also like to call on the Mayor of Muntinlupa, Mayor Villasol, for a quick photo op with our nation's girl group.